Living alone offers independence, personal freedom, self-discovery, flexible routines, privacy, decision-making power, and emotional growth, which many young professionals value in modern lifestyles.
Joint family living provides emotional security, shared responsibilities, cultural continuity, financial support, elder guidance, collective decision making, and a strong sense of belonging across generations.
When people live alone, they learn self-reliance, time management, financial discipline, emotional resilience, and problem-solving skills, which often shape confident personalities and independent mindsets.
In joint families, individuals rarely feel lonely because constant interaction, shared meals, celebrations, conversations, and support systems create emotional warmth and reduce stress during difficult life situations.
Living alone allows individuals to design their lifestyle, manage space freely, pursue hobbies peacefully, focus on careers, and maintain mental clarity without constant social obligations.
Joint families encourage cooperation, compromise, patience, respect, and interpersonal skills because members learn to live with diverse opinions, habits, ages, and personalities daily.
Many people feel living alone improves productivity because fewer distractions exist. Personal schedules remain flexible, and individuals can prioritize goals without constant family expectations.
In joint families, responsibilities are divided, household chores shared, childcare supported, elder care managed, and financial burdens reduced through collective contribution and cooperation.
Privacy is a major advantage of living alone because personal thoughts, routines, emotions, and choices remain undisputed, enabling emotional freedom and psychological comfort.
Joint family life may reduce privacy, but it increases emotional bonding, moral values, discipline, cultural traditions, and mutual accountability within a supportive environment.
Living alone teaches people to face challenges independently, handle loneliness constructively, build self-confidence, and develop emotional intelligence through personal experiences.
Joint families provide immediate emotional backup, advice, encouragement, shared wisdom, and collective problem solving, which helps individuals overcome crises faster and feel supported.
Financial independence improves when living alone because budgeting, spending decisions, savings planning, and responsibility management remain completely under individual control.
Joint families allow shared expenses, reduced living costs, pooled resources, and financial stability, which benefits students, elders, unemployed members, and growing children.
Living alone suits people seeking personal growth, creativity, self-expression, freedom, and modern lifestyles influenced by urbanization, globalization, and changing career demands.
Joint family systems suit societies valuing togetherness, respect for elders, emotional bonds, cultural preservation, and collective progress over individual preferences.
Some people find joint families stressful due to interference, comparisons, conflicts, expectations, lack of boundaries, and constant judgment affecting mental peace.
Conflicts exist everywhere, but joint families teach conflict resolution, tolerance, empathy, compromise, and emotional maturity through everyday interactions and shared responsibilities.
Living alone allows flexible daily routines, customized diets, personal entertainment choices, uninterrupted rest, and better focus on health and self-care.
Joint families encourage disciplined routines, traditional meals, shared activities, healthier eating habits, and collective celebrations, enhancing emotional and physical well being.
People living alone often build stronger external social networks, friendships, professional connections, and community involvement to fulfill emotional and social needs.
Joint family members rely less on outsiders because emotional needs, companionship, guidance, and support are fulfilled internally within family structures.
Living alone prepares individuals for global mobility, career transfers, international opportunities, adaptability, independence, and survival in unfamiliar environments.
Joint families prepare individuals for social harmony, teamwork, leadership, shared living, and community responsibility within culturally rooted environments.
Some individuals experience loneliness while living alone, but many learn self love, emotional balance, mindfulness, and personal strength through solitude.
Joint family living minimizes loneliness, especially for elders and children, by ensuring constant companionship, care, storytelling, learning, and emotional presence.
Living alone allows people to escape unnecessary drama, avoid constant opinions, and maintain mental peace through controlled social interactions.
Joint families teach individuals to manage emotions, accept differences, build patience, and develop emotional intelligence through daily interpersonal experiences.
Young professionals often prefer living alone to explore independence, career focus, self identity, freedom, and decision making without family pressure.
Parents prefer joint families because children grow with moral values, discipline, guidance, emotional security, and multiple role models within the household.
Living alone strengthens decision making abilities because individuals face consequences directly, learn accountability, and develop confidence in personal judgments.
Joint families encourage collective decision making, shared wisdom, experience based guidance, and reduce risk through thoughtful family discussions.
Modern apartments, technology, remote work, and digital connectivity make living alone easier, safer, and more manageable than previous generations experienced.
Despite modernization, joint families remain relevant by adapting traditions, supporting careers, embracing education, and balancing modern values with cultural roots.
Living alone suits introverted personalities who value silence, personal space, self reflection, and limited social interaction for mental well being.
Joint families suit extroverted individuals who enjoy conversations, celebrations, shared responsibilities, social engagement, and lively household environments.
Sometimes living alone helps people recover emotionally after breakups, losses, stress, or trauma by providing space for healing.
Joint families help individuals heal emotionally through care, love, attention, shared responsibilities, and constant emotional reassurance.
Living alone reduces dependency, increases resilience, builds self trust, and prepares individuals for unpredictable life challenges.
Joint families reduce pressure by sharing burdens, offering guidance, emotional support, and collective strength during uncertain times.
Ultimately, living alone works best for those prioritizing independence, personal growth, flexibility, and self exploration in modern society.
Ultimately, joint family living works best for those valuing togetherness, emotional security, shared growth, cultural continuity, and collective happiness.
Both lifestyles have advantages and challenges, and choosing wisely depends on personality, goals, emotional needs, career stage, and cultural background.
Success and happiness depend not on living arrangements, but on understanding oneself, respecting others, maintaining balance, and creating meaningful relationships anywhere.
Living alone can encourage minimalism, organized habits, personal responsibility, mental clarity, reduced conflicts, and a peaceful environment tailored to individual emotional and professional needs.
Joint family living promotes generosity, sharing resources, emotional patience, mutual understanding, cooperative thinking, and long term relationships that strengthen family unity and social stability.
Some people feel alone. Living alone teaches survival skills, confidence, adaptability, and emotional independence that traditional family systems may delay or soften.
Joint families allow gradual maturity where guidance, protection, shared learning, and emotional safety help individuals grow confidently without facing overwhelming pressure alone.